don't be wasting any more time. Now your hot balls today are numbers 6, 10 and 23, and all of those balls made an appearance on the draws yesterday. Perhaps we could see them again today. Your cold balls, if you prefer, are Sophie's at number 9. We've got 43 and 48, and your hot and cold balls are based over the last 56 draws. Now, if you don't follow us on our social media pages, head on over to do so now. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram and X. Today, I've left a video asking if there's any questions that you would like to ask any of us presenters about our lives. We have our annual filming day next week, and perhaps you could have one of your questions answered by any one of the team. Make sure you give us a follow. You'll find us at 49s Draw. Time now to drop the balls. Good luck to you all, and as always, fingers crossed.
Thank you very much, their presenter Kirsty. No more bets, please. 12.49.28. Good luck, everyone. And the draw gets underway with ball 1, that is yellow 39. Ball 2 is green 36. Ball 3 is blue 42. Ball 4 is yellow 18. Ball 5, and that is orange 31. Sixth out is orange, also 24. Stand by for a booster. And the booster is a solid orange 17. Let's return to the studio.
Leaving there with the 49s and gets Nottingham 6-4 bend handicap 12.51. They're all in. Hair running.
Hair running. And away they go. They're racing at Nottingham. Favourite got away pretty well. The 2 was a bit skew whiff out the gates as they make their way towards the first turn. And it's the